Have you ever wondered which lobe of the brain is injured after a stroke? This is a critical question, as understanding the answer can shed light on the behavioral changes and challenges that a stroke survivor might face. The human brain is a complex organ, divided into distinct regions, each with its specific functions. When a stroke occurs, it can affect any of these areas, leading to different consequences. Take the frontal lobe, for instance. This is the part of the brain that controls our personality and reasoning. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, guiding and coordinating our actions. If a stroke damages this lobe, it could lead to abrupt and unfiltered responses. Imagine suddenly having no filter on your thoughts, saying exactly what comes to mind without considering the potential implications. This is a possible scenario for those with frontal lobe injuries. Now, consider the lobe responsible for reading. Yes, there's a specific part of our brain that processes written words. If it's injured, a person might lose the ability to read. Think about how it would feel to look at a page filled with words and not understand a single one. It's like being lost in a foreign country without a map or a guide. Then, there are the lobes that perceive time. Stroke patients often struggle with understanding the concept of time. They might get stuck in a repetitive state of mind, asking the same question or requesting the same thing every few minutes. It's as if their internal clock has stopped working, leaving them in a constant state of confusion. The brain is divided into two hemispheres, each with distinct roles and functions. The signs and symptoms of a stroke can vary significantly depending on which hemisphere is affected. Knowing the area of the brain that has been injured is crucial to understanding the challenges a stroke survivor might face. Let's imagine 5 different scenarios. In each, a stroke damages a different lobe, leading to unique challenges. From sudden personality changes due to frontal lobe damage, to the loss of reading ability from an injury to the reading lobe, to a distorted sense of time due to damage to the lobes responsible for time perception. Each scenario is a stark reminder of how a stroke can change a person's life in an instant. In summary, the human brain is a complex and intricate organ. Each lobe has its unique functions and responsibilities, and an injury to any of these can lead to significant changes in behavior and abilities. Understanding which lobe is affected by a stroke is key to understanding the challenges a survivor might face. So next time you hear about someone having a stroke, remember the impact goes far beyond the physical. It's a battle of the mind as well.